CompTIA ITF Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 6.7 Explain Business Continuity Concepts. Power redundancy. Power redundancy, within the context of information technology, refers to the strategy of ensuring that systems remain operational even if the primary power source fails. Think of it as having backup batteries for your flashlight, ensuring you're never left in the dark. One of the primary ways to achieve power redundancy is through redundant power supplies. Consider a server in a data center. Instead of relying on just one power supply, which could become a potential point of failure, the server is equipped with 2 or more power supplies. If one fails or encounters an issue, the other takes over, ensuring the server continues its operations without interruption. In situations where there are sudden and unexpected power interruptions, a UPS, or uninterruptible power supply, becomes an invaluable asset while providing a certain level of fault tolerance. A UPS is a device designed to provide immediate and uninterrupted emergency power to connected equipment when the main power source is lost. This seamless transition of power is especially important in IT environments, where servers are constantly processing and transmitting data. Even a momentary power disruption can lead to unsaved data being lost or systems shutting down improperly, which can cause potential damage. When there's a sudden loss of power, a UPS instantly kicks in, ensuring that there's no break in the electricity supply. This immediate response allows IT professionals the time to either switch to a longer-term power solution, like a generator, or to safely shut down systems and save critical data. In situations where power outages extend beyond just a few minutes, the importance of having a reliable long-term backup power solution becomes evident. This is where a generator steps in as a savior. A generator, in its essence, is a marvel of engineering that transforms mechanical energy, often derived from fuel sources like diesel or gas, into electrical energy. This conversion ensures that even when the regular power grid fails, businesses and operations don't have to. When the primary power source is compromised, a generator can be activated either manually or automatically to take over the role of supplying electricity. However, it's important to note that a generator's response is not instantaneous. There's typically a brief delay before it fully powers up and starts delivering electricity. Now, both UPS devices and generators are essential for maintaining uninterrupted power. While the UPS provides immediate backup to prevent any power interruptions, the generator offers a solution for extended outages. By using both, you will have established a comprehensive power backup system. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.